I was always concerned with my neck and my jowls and my eyelids drooping, and I always wanted to have a lift done. When I began my process with Sonobello, my first meeting was with the nurse. They went through the procedures of what I would expect. The next day, I went in at 6:30 in the morning, and before you know it, you're done and you're ready to go home. What impressed me about the physicians at Sonobello was their kindness and their concern with you. My husband, Joe, thinks I look great. He's impressed with what I look like. I feel I look great. I feel more confident. I have a neck that's not droopy. Sonobello gave me wonderful results.